If you're looking to keep your Garmin GPS securely mounted on your Ducati Multistrada, this Evotech Performance GPS mount is a complete game changer. This is built with precision and it's designed to fit cleanly without any modifications to your bike whatsoever. Now what I personally really like about this, if you're taking a look at the bracket, this is black powder coated aluminum, and it's not just sturdy, this is actually sleek, and it's going to complement your bike's lines. It's not going to look awkward once you have it on, which you see with a lot of other Garmin GPS attachment points. Now this is actually really well done here in terms of the attachment. You can actually adjust your screen angle with easy to use wing screws that come included in the kit, and you're going to get a really great view wherever you're riding, so you can adjust the angle to make it perfect. The install is going to be straightforward. The mount attaches right to your screen support framework, so there's no cutting, there's no drilling, there's no aftermarket tweaks that you're going to need. Everything that you need comes included in this kit, so there are a couple of pieces. Starts with the main plate, your pivot plate, sub brackets, bolts, washers, and even a set of P-clips that are going to keep all of your wires tidy as well. Basically, Evotech thought of everything to make this a clean and professional install, and for anyone who likes to tweak their setup, that adjustable pivot really lets you dial in the perfect viewing angle. Whether you're uphill, downhill, straight roads, you're going to have a great way of adjusting the angle. Now if you're worried about fitment, all the instructions are available online. It's going to give you a real clear step-by-step instruction, and it's a simple upgrade, but it's going to make a big difference overall, keeping your Garmin secure, visible, and perfectly positioned while keeping your Ducati looking sharp at the same time. My name is Alex at Accessories International. We've been doing this for over 25 years. If you have any questions for us, give us a call, 786-242-5400, and if you found any value out of this video today, give us a like and subscribe to the channel to keep up for more. Thanks again for tuning in. See you next time.